Okay. Good afternoon, students. Hello, are you getting me? Okay, thank you. So, welcome to our class today, and I hope that you've all attended my class, and you ensure you mark the register for today. So today I'm going to take you through our unit of competence, which is photojournalism, and categorically you are going to deal with the principles of photography. So by the end of this lesson, I expect all of us to be able to come out with these outcomes, able to define the term photography. You can as well state the principles of photography. And again, I expect you to explain the principle. So I want to define what is photography. I know you're familiarized with the same. Photography is the process of recording an image or a photograph on a light sensitive or digital photography via electronic or academic magnetic memory. That is, photography basically deals with digital photography and electronic and magnetic memory. And in continuation, I want to state some principles of photography. I hope you are following keenly. We have the pattern, we have the balance, we have the negative space, we have grouping, closure, color, and light stroke shadow. Okay. So let's continue. I want to explain the pattern. I'm explaining the pattern as a form of photography. The pattern incorporates different patterns that lifts the image of the page and is likely to explore several photographic techniques. In essence, this creates a calming effect to the viewers and draws the attention to it. People also use pattern to create a visual harmony and familiarity. Thus, pattern is a key element while doing photography. Then our second principle we are going to deal with balance. So let's ask ourselves, what is balance? I'll give you an answer. Balance is a composition technique that arranges elements within the frame to achieve equal visual weight across the image. The visual weight of an element essentially measures how much attraction and it draws from the viewer. For a good picture, or whenever you are going to cover an event, make sure your photography techniques you include balance in your pictures. I hope we are getting it right. Then I want to deal with the third one, that is the negative space. This is the area surrounding the main subject in a photograph, which is left unoccupied. Put simply, it is the space around the object itself that helps define the positive space or the main focus. When it is well used, negative and positive space can communicate the composition of your photograph. That is the negative space. Specifically, it is just the surrounding of the main subject in a photograph. Then let me discuss on grouping. Grouping forms a collinear or line of direction of the image. Shapes and lines are perceived as a single element, and the rest are considered as unified or lines. So grouping is just a line of direction of the image. Whenever you want to take a picture, you have to group it accordingly to come up with what you want, or to come up with a good image that you deserve as a photographer. I'm sorry for that. Then let me talk about light and shadow. This is the contrast of light and shadow. It is important for the proper balance of images. I know you've taken a lot of photos, and the most appropriate or the most technique to be used, ensure you are on a light or the shadow is being shown. Yeah, I think by using this technique, you'll come up with a good image. So light and shadow, it is a contrast of line, and shadow is important for the proper balance of images. Light makes an image seem brighter, while shadow can draw sorry, drama to certain part of images composition. Before we end up our class, do you have any question from you students? I want to give out an assignment. Any question? Yes, I hope we've all understood. So my assignment is that what are the application of the principles of photography? Those are 20 marks. Ensure by next week you hand over the assignment to the class rep to my office. Good day and have a nice time.